Hello friends, welcome again. In this video you will see how to select columns or rows from data frame. So for this we can use here, as you can see in this example, there are three columns. First is name, second is address and age, having values as a list in variable data. So when we want to convert this data variable into data frame, so for this we can use pd.dataframe. So it will convert our data into data frame and is stored in variable df. Then we can print this variable df, so it will display our data frame. So here you can see there are three columns and the row index, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4. So from here, if you want to display some specific column, so for this you can use df and the column name. For example, I want to display address column from my data frame. So for this you can use print df and the column name in square brackets. So it will retrieve your column address from your data frame. You can also use df dot address, or you can say df dot column name. And when you used column name with df dot, so you cannot use this single quotes or double quotes with column name. So it will also retrieve your column address. Now let's see how to access some rows or columns from data frame. So for this we can use ILOC, or you can say integer location. Like this. For example, if you want to access rows at index position 0 to 3, and on the right hand side you can access columns at index position 0 or 2. So it will access your rows and it will access your columns. So let's see the differences. So here is your row at index position 0, 1 and 2. So it will access your all rows from 0 to n minus 1, that is 2. So it will access your rows at index position 0, then 1 and then 2. So it will access only rows 0, 1 or 2. And on the right hand side, after this comma, on the right hand side you can access specific columns. So it will access columns at index position 0 or at index position 2, that are at index position 0 the column name is name, and at index position 2 the column name is age. You can change its index 1 like this, and you can also use slicing operator. So it will also access your columns from 0 to n minus 1, that is 0 to 2. So it will access all columns. At index 0 the column name is name, at index 1 the column name is address, at index 2 the column name is age. So it will access all the columns, and here you can see the rows. So it will access rows and it will access your columns. But if you want to access some specific columns, so for this you can use comma. So it will access columns only at index position 0 or 1. Okay, one square bracket is missing here. This square bracket is for your columns and this one is for your ILOC. So like this you can access your columns or rows from your data frame. You can also apply some conditions with data frame. For example, if you want to display the details of these students whose age is greater than 20, so for this you can use df.loc, and here you can use df, the column name, that is age, and apply condition here is greater than 20. So here is my condition. It will access your column age and check the condition greater than 20. So by using LOC function you can apply some condition. So here you can see all the records whose age is more than 20 has been displayed. Or you can also apply conditions like df age is more than 20 and age less than 25. So it will check both the conditions. And here is my square bracket for ILOC or LOC. The first condition is df age more than 20 . The second condition df age less than 25, close your square bracket, then parenthesis. Let's see. Okay, so here you can apply conditions with AND operator also. So it will display the information of the candidates whose age is more than 20 or age less than 25. So like this you can apply some conditions on data frame. Thanks for watching this video, and in the next video we will see how to delete columns or rows from data frame. If you have any doubt, you may write an email. Thank you.